Hey, today we're gonna check out these Crafty Croc liquid chalk markers. This package comes with 8. Okay, this is what they look like. I love the packaging, it's so cute. And it tells you how to use them, because when you first get, if you've never used like a paint marker, there's a little trick to figuring out how to use it. So in here, oh cool, check it out. All right, so we've got 8 colors, a good variety of colors. And check these out. This is extra nibs in case you need to replace them. One cool thing about these markers is it's got 2 different tips. So one side is a bullet tip and the other side is chisel. So you can make like finer lines with that side. Let's see what's in here. Oh look, they gave us a little present. These are vinyl. I made this earlier, and so you can do something like that. You can label things in your cabinets. You can do all kinds of things with this. That's cool. I didn't realize they were in here. And on the back, you can go to this and get a surprise code for something. I'm not sure what that is, but I love surprises, don't you? When you get your chalk marker, it's going to look like this. It's going to have this white, it's an absorbent piece of material. I'm not sure what it's called. And again, oh cool, it shows you here like how to do it. The first thing you want to do is make sure the top is on. And then you're going to shake it for about 30 seconds. That gets the ink to start flowing in here. And then you're going to press down. So as you press down, you'll start seeing the ink flowing to the top. Now let's get to the project. Don't want to lose my nibs, so put them in a special place. Let's put happy. Now what you might want to do before you start something like this is to actually use a pencil to get your words in place, your letters, so you don't run out of room, that kind of thing. One thing I love to use to have straight lines is a laser level. I'm just going to put this across here and I'm going to be able to see if my line is straight. Now, these bags, sometimes they're hard because they have a little bump. So I'm going to use the thin side here and fill it in. There's some tricks you can do. See that little, I got that little dot that I didn't want. I like to get the Q-tip a little bit wet and then look at that. It basically just rubbed off. What a wonderful surprise. I'm going to do faux calligraphy. What that is every downstroke that you make when you're writing a letter, you make it thicker. So this was really thin and I just wanted to add a little bit, give it a little bit more character. Again, every downstroke. Oh, happy day. Okay, let's step it up just a little bit. So how about we do an arrow. We'll start up here. We'll make it thin at first and then go back over it, because you can't make it thinner after you already make it thick, right? Don't you just love the way these neon chalk markers pop off this black gift bag? I hope this inspires you to make something like this, so it'll be unique and special for a party. One of a kind. Thanks for watching.